quick reading for May the 19th to May the 20th, Cancer. Your cards are the Knight of Cups, the Queen of Cups, and the King of Swords. Medyo bibilis na yung takbo ng relationship in a form of actions, no? Pwede rin communications or it can be a combinations, no? Kasi the King of Swords is more of taking action and communicating with the person straightforwardly, wala nang paligoy-ligoy. I think si person medyo alam niya na walang pupuntahan, no? Yung paikot-ikot at parang uncertain yung mga sinasabi. Ngayon with the Queen of Cups, mas mafe-feel mo ngayon yung etong taong to talagang seryoso sa akin, no? Etong taong to meron talaga siyang nararamdaman sa akin. Kasi wala na siyang pwedeng gawin ngayon kung hindi maging straightforward. At parang sinasabi na rin ng puso niya na seryosohin mo na, no? Or magtapat ka na ng nararamdaman mo. So this is your quick reading for May the 19th to May the 20th, Cancer.
My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me bye-bye.